Morgan? Hi. You're such a piggy when you eat so much all at one time. Morgan? Morgan? You are beautiful. Can we see your outfit, your Easter outfit?
This.
Oh my. Oh, what a handsome guy. Morgan? He swats down, but we got to see your shorts, Morgan. Grandma bought you that. Okay, just leave him standing up at the chair there. That's great. Okay, Morgan. Yeah, you don't have to knock everything. Oh my God. This is what I live with right here. Chairs, tables. God, you are putting on a show. Oh God, he's gonna go right over. Are you showing Grandma and Grandpa how bad you are? This is 9. Oh my God, you guys, we just got it on tape that he stood up. He let go with both hands. Look at check out the shorts. He has these incredible calf muscles. Whoa.
He's trying to crawl. Whoa.
Oh, look at the muscles. Oh, Morgan, you're incredible.
Your mother is like your #1 fan.
That's right. Second only to Daddy and Grandma and Grandpa.
He's trying to reach that egg.
Oh, he wants that egg.
There's so many other
Right.
eggs he can get. He has to have that one.
Morgan, you don't have to knock everything over, okay? It's not a really good thing for babies. I don't think you're going to be able to walk behind the chair. Oh. Bye-bye. Now the outfit's going to get all dirty. Morgan. 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 Morgan, Morgan. Just the hell with it, Mom. It's easy.